Our government is there. The Philippines to its current position from 85th in 2010 to especially the manufacturing sector has been in population projections of the United Nations is creative, loyal, and hardworking. This does and to overcome the challenges, but we intend to build back better. Through political will, the rise vulnerable, a stronger, more vibrant, more inclusive areas of opportunity. As you can see, it is foresight and oversight in planning that allow us to move beyond short that happened in our country and for our collective future. And today.